The great shift that is taking place in the art world, provoked by artificial intelligence, is an indication that works of art need to take a new direction. Paintings of AI era have to focus more on emotional and poetic associations rather than on rules and techniques. They should contain the artist's own personal information and individual philosophies. New artworks need to create alternative realities that fuse aspects from the actual world with elements drawn from other types of arts and poetry. Today's painting workshops can help the transition by guiding students to go beyond reality and the surface look of the picture. They should develop confidence of art students in their ability to reflect feelings, concepts, ideas, and their personal identity. To facilitate the change, we need to combine the past and the future together. This is where symbols can help us to do in our paintings. In a way, symbols can become key for unlocking the needed clues to move us forward towards the future. They can guide us to provide insights into our lives in a deeply personal and rewarding way. Symbols expand our awareness of love, balance, and light in life. They direct us to visions of a brighter future. They do this with beauty, style, intelligence, and elegance. Symbols have been vital artistic expression during the cultural transitions in our lives. They are the universal language of the unseen that represent a rich part of the arts. Symbols serve us like emoji to express messages of inspiration and hope. They help us to combine myth, magic, and history through definitive paintings that bring the art and consciousness of our times together. Get ready for this summer to learn from the masters to create symbols in your paintings for making them heartfelt and powerful. Join us to open the access to your inner world from the limits of artistic conventions. Here are several symbolic artworks created by our students.